This is what you see when you come here in our place. It's very country, very rural. Baryo-baryo lang. Paku-paku. Tapos parang Pinas din. May asong tumatahol. Naiiwan siguro ng kanyang tagapag-alaga. Yari. Medyo makulimlim pa rin, pero hindi na maulan.